Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are all fine and well. According to today's lesson planner, we are going to do the exercise of the poem Everyone Sang. Let's do exercise A, understanding the poem. A1, answer the following questions. Question A, where do you think the people in the poem are? We already know that the poem is about the soldiers, so the people in the poem are in a war zone or in a trench. B, what comparison does the poet make in the first stanza? Its answer is in the first stanza when the poet says, and I was filled with such delight as prisoned birds must find in freedom. He makes a comparison between his feelings and the feeling of the birds, that he is feeling the same joy and happiness as birds feel when they get freedom from the prison. Next question is, how did beauty come? And its answer is in second stanza when the poet says, and beauty came like the setting sun. Next question is, what did the poet feel when he heard the singing? And its answer is in the second stanza. He says that when he heard the singing, my heart was shaken with tears. So his heart was shaken with tears when he heard the singing. Next question is, what feeling left the poet when he heard the singing? Its answer is also in the second stanza. He says that when he heard the singing, horror drifted away. These questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. F. Which words and phrases does the poet use to get across the idea that the birds are actually free? The lines from the first stanza, winging wildly across the white orchards and dark green fields, on and out of sight, show that the birds are actually free. Question G. How might the soldiers have felt before the singing started? What was their condition like at the time, and how would this have affected how they felt? To give the answer of this question, you have to use your imagination that how do the soldiers feel in a war zone. They have lack of supplies, lack of sleep and cleanliness. There is a constant bombardment and their hearts are full of horror all the time. Let's do question number A2. Can you find a rhyming pattern in the poem? The rhyming pattern in the poem is A, B, C, B, B. Let's find out how. Our first line is ending with singing, so let's name it as A. The second line is ending with delight. Let's name it as B. Our third line is ending with freedom. Let's name it as C. Fourth line is ending with white. It has the same rhyme as delight. Delight, white. Let's name it as B. The fifth line is ending with sight. It has the same rhyming as delight, white, sight. So we will also name it as B. So our rhyming scheme becomes A, B, C, B, B. Second stanza also follows the same rhyming pattern, which is A, B, C, B, B. Let's find out the rhyming pattern in second stanza. Our first line of second stanza is ending with lifted. Let's name it as A. Second line is ending with sun. Let's name it as B. The third line is ending with horror. Let's name it as C. Third line is ending with one. It has the same rhyme as sun. Sun, one. Let's name it as B. The fifth line is ending with done. It has the same rhyming pattern as sun, one. So let's name it as B. So our rhyming pattern is A, B, C, B, B. Question number 3. Answer the following questions with reference to context. And the line from the poem is, my heart was shaken with tears and horror drifted away. Question number 1 is, why was the speaker's heart shaken with tears? Its answer is, his heart was shaken with tears when he heard the singing, and beauty came like the setting sun. And next part of the question is, was he unhappy? Its answer is no. He was not unhappy but filled with delight. Next question is, what made the horror drift away? Its answer is the singing. Exercise B, working with words. Question number 1. Find words in the poem that are anagrams of the following. Let's know what are anagrams. Anagrams are the words which we get by changing the place of letters. Let's solve the exercise A. This is wordless. B. This is everyone. C. This is drifted. D. It is freedom. E. It's suddenly. F. It's delight. Exercise B2 is your homework, and the words which you have got from exercise B1, you have to take them and you have to fill them in this grid. Okay students, learn these exercises. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.